BOATMAN ACTOR-PLUS Series Bait Boat. 4 versions available. Distance version for stable wind and wave resistance. GPS version for precise navigation. Sonar version for fish detection. Pro version for professional integrated remote control. Multiple color options. 500-meter remote control distance. Anti-interference. 2.4G high-frequency wireless signal. Forward, push joystick enters intelligent correction and constant speed cruising in 5 seconds. 3 kilograms large hopper. Load capacity. Low base and high-speed motor with abundant power. Speed of 70 meters per minute. Wing resistance level 3. Battery life to 2.5 hours. 11.1 volt lithium polymer battery. Can open the bait hopper independently or together. Night navigation lights, equipped with indicator lights for convenient night fishing. GPS navigation function for easy and precise bank delivery. 16 navigation points with accuracy within 2 meters when the remote control is out of power. Loses control or exceeds 500 meters. The boat will automatically return to its starting point. Sonar fish detection helps you explore the underwater world. Sonar angle up to 100 degrees. Detection depth up to 40 meters. Accuracy are only 0.1 meters. BOATMAN ACTOR-PLUS Series Bait Boat. Large bait hopper for level wind and wave resistance. Multiple version choices meet your different needs. From distance version to pro version. Technological innovation, intelligent navigation, promote the flourishing development of the fishing industry. Choose BOATMAN, choose wisdom. Sail into the future. Enjoy the fun of fishing.